Here is how to troubleshoot a website which isn't loading in Google Chrome. First, you can try disabling the extensions. Click on the three dots in the top right corner and select Extensions. Click on Manage Extensions and toggle off this options for all the extensions which is downloaded so far and is no longer in use. After that, close the extensions window and return to the settings. Now disable hardware acceleration. Go to Settings, click on System, which is between accessibility and reset settings. From here, go ahead and toggle the option of use graphics acceleration when available. Simply turn it off and click on relaunch and check if the issue is resolved. Also try clearing the browsing data. If this problem still persists, go to privacy and security. Now select delete browsing data, select your time range, select cached images and file, cookies and other site data, and also the browsing history if you prefer. Then select delete data and you'll be done. Also reset the Chrome settings. If none of the steps work, go to settings and click on reset settings. Select restore settings to their original default and click on reset. After completing these steps, you should be able to access websites without issue. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.